So, using the data that I passed out to you earlier, we are going to click on MS Excel. Okay, so we've opened up our Microsoft Excel, and we just saw in the video that these little boxes are called cells. So everybody say cell. These cells are what we write in. So all I have to do is click on it, and this is all of a sudden the cell that I can write my data in. So, to start, I can use the headers from the sheet of data on my desk. So, the first column says team. So I can write team, or maybe I want to put country. My next column is going to be, I don't need to do that number of summers. I don't need that, because all I care about is the number of gold medals, right? So I can skip that column. So what would be the next column in that page of data that I have? That would be the gold medals. So I'm going to type gold. And then what comes after gold? Silver, and bronze. It's actually called bronze. Okay. So already I got rid of some data on that sheet that I don't need, because I'm making this for me, for my Olympic project. So I just need to know the country and how many medals they won. That's all I need to know. So now I can look below, and I'm going to list country by country, because I might not get all of these done, and that's okay if I don't get them all done. If we run out of time and we don't get them all done, that's fine. So you want to make sure that you go across. So I would start with the country. What's the first country? China. So I'm going to type China, and then I would go to gold. And how many gold have they gotten over the years? No, that's the number of summers, and we get to skip that. So how many gold? 201. How many silver? And how many bronze? Okay, so I would continue to do that until I ran out of time, because again, we're not going to get all of this done today. And remember, we're skipping that column that says number of summers because we don't need it. That's not important to us. Now, if you finish before the time is up, you could color code these. So I can click on column B and see this paint can up here? I can make this gold. I can click on this and I can make this column silver. I could click on D and make this column bronze. I can also highlight all of these cells. If I highlight all of these cells, I can also change the font. I can make it a little bit bigger. I can center it. And see how now it doesn't fit in the boxes? Well, I need to resize my boxes. That's cool. I need to resize my cells. I'm sorry, cells. See how I have the A? When my mouse gets to the line, see how it changed? When it changes into that cross, look, I can drag it and make it bigger. Drag it, make it bigger. Drag it, make it bigger. Drag it, make it bigger. Okay? So I can resize these. So today you're just going to get a start on this. We're not going to get finished, and that's fine. But today you're going to take this data and you're going to copy as much as you can onto the sheet, onto your spreadsheet.